Hey friends, it's Amber with Amber Marie and Company. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we're going to do a bow challenge. So I have Ben here with me and my mom, Jerry.
The winner. I'm the winner.
Oh goodness, here we go already. Ben thinks he's the winner.
No.
So the challenge is we have a bunch of different ribbons here in front of us. They're all summer themed ribbons. We really have no idea. Nobody's gotten to choose yet what ribbons they're doing, but here are the rules. The rules are you have to make a bow, 8 to 10 inch bow. So it has to be a nice size bow like you put on a wreath. So that's rule number 1, okay? No little small bows. We don't make small bows around here anyway, so I think we're gonna be okay. Rule number 2 is you have to use at least 3 ribbons and you have to zip tie so it's ready to go onto something, a lantern, whatever it might be, all right? And then rule number 3, the scissors need to stay right here so everybody can touch them.
Wait a minute. I have to reach over.
Okay. Ben does too, you're left-handed.
Oh.
So that's fair.
She does.
Okay, any other rules, is that it?
I have a rule.
Oh no.
Yes, because I believe in fairness. I think fairness is so important. So in order to be fair to all of us, I say Amber gets blindfolded.
What?
I love that idea.
Yeah.
That is not fair. Wait a minute, I did not agree to this.
It is. Watch it, Linda.
Let's do this.
You're gonna blindfold me, honestly.
Yes. Blindfold Amber.
I can't believe I'm actually.
Out of that. All right, how many fingers am I holding?
My eyes are closed. I have no idea. I can't keep them open with the font. Let's go.
Okay. No.
So I have no idea what colors
Oh,
I'm
no, that's mine. Oh, that's mine. That was mine. I gotta have that one.
picking. I'm blindfolded. I have no idea what I'm picking. Do you really need to have this one?
Yeah. That's a good one for you.
Oh no. Okay, that one, no. No. This one?
Sure.
I have a feeling this is gonna be off.
Sure.
If Mom agrees, it's bad. Where are the rest of the ribbons? Okay, fine, here we go. I don't even know what this color is. This is my base ribbon, whatever this one is, right here. Oh my gosh, I can't tell which side's out. Hold on a second. This is not,
I'll quit complaining.
this is not
Just do
fair.
it. Quit complaining.
We're gonna see. I hear somebody already cutting. What in the heck? Okay, all right. Scissors. I could literally cut myself. Do we have, where's OSHA? Somebody?
I turned my forward.
Okay, I think that was ribbon number 1.
I can't talk and do this, so that's why I'm not saying anything. I'm not that coordinated.
Okay, here's ribbon number 2. I don't know what this is gonna look like. Ribbon number 2. There we go. I hope it's cute. This could be the most hideous thing in the universe.
Oh, Amber, that's so cute.
Oh, I have a feeling it's not since you're saying that.
I love it.
I think I did my bow upside down.
Quit complaining. I mean, I have a
What is your handicap?
I'm old.
I can't tell what I'm doing. Oh my gosh, this is nuts.
And you said at least 3 ribbons, correct?
Yes, you have to
Okay.
use 3 different ribbons. I think I'm doing this wrong. Hold on a second, go back.
It makes things different when you have a camera on you, you know? You can't mess up.
Ta-da!
That's only 2. Jerry, you have to use
Another
3.
ribbon. Shoot.
You're not blindfolded.
I can't even tell how many ribbons that I have blindfolded. All right, does that make you happy?
No, I'm so lost. I don't know what I'm doing yet.
Oh, that's so sad. All right, I'm done.
Okay. Here it is, my 3rd and final one. Let's see, what have I got
That's not
here?
the third.
Yeah, I think
It's
it
the
is.
same.
Oh, it is?
Yes, I'm helping you along here.
That's too big.
Ugh.
This one?
Yes, that's so cute. Here, let me help you. I've already done. Do this one.
Which one? Look, I don't even think my bow is even right. It's like lost it.
It looks perfect, Amber.
Where are the scissors? There we go. Okay. Nobody get your arms out of here. I don't want to cut anybody. Oh, sorry. Did I just stab someone? I feel like I did.
Oh, I see blood.
Oh, no.
Oh, I'm bleeding over here.
Okay. Who knows what this is going to look like?
It's gonna look gorgeous.
I have a feeling it's
Cute.
not.
It's cute. Mom and daughter against mom and daughter. So I'm not gonna blow smoke. Where's that other tail?
Okay, let's see. This is hideous. I can't tell what side's supposed to be out and what side's not.
Oh, quit complaining.
Okay, whatever it is, it is.
Take off that blindfold.
Oh, I can't believe that. It's not that bad. I thought it was gonna be worse. Oh, cute. Well, that's cute too. Look at that green. I love it. All right, so you guys have to vote now. Who did it best?
I think Amber should win because she had blindfold on.
Mom with the watermelon summer check, which is really cute. Mine with the fun popsicle ribbon, which is amazing. Thank you for your help. I didn't even do the ends of my ribbon or anything. You guys did and finished it off. Or Ben's with the cute little summer daisy with the yellow. That's cute. That's a good combo. All right, everybody, that is our ribbon challenge for you, our bow making challenge with the three amigos here.
We did it.
The three musketeers. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to vote because we want to know which one you like the best, and smash that subscribe
Smash
button.
it.
Thanks everybody for watching. I hope you enjoyed it.